Hello friends, welcome to TruthsCorner.com videos. Today we will see health benefit of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting (IF) is a eating pattern that alternates between periods of fasting and eating. It has gained popularity for its potential health benefits include weight loss, improved metabolism, and enhanced brain function. Here's how intermittent fasting can improve your health. First, promote weight loss. Intermittent fasting can be an effective tool for weight management by restricting the eating window. The body burns fat for energy, leading to weight loss. During fasting period, insulin level drop, which allow the body to burn stored fat more efficiently. If combined with a healthy diet such as consuming vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, intermittent fasting can help reduce body fat. Second, improve metabolism. Intermittent fasting can help improve metabolic health. It enhances insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. When insulin level decrease during fasting, the body becomes more efficient at using stored fat for energy. This also helps stabilize blood sugar level, providing more consistent energy throughout the day. Third, boost brain health. Fasting has been linked to improve brain function and mental clarity. During fasting period, the body produces more brain-derived neurotropic BDNF, a protein that supports brain health and cognitive function. Additionally, intermittent fasting can enhance memory, focus, and even protect the brain from neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Fourth, support heart health. Intermittent fasting may have reduced the risk factor associated with heart diseases, including high blood pressure, cholesterol, and inflammation. Studies suggest that IF can lower level of bad cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglyceride while raising good HDL cholesterol. Combining intermittent fasting with the heart-healthy foods such as avocado, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon can further enhance cardiovascular health. Fifth, enhance longevity. Some studies have suggested that intermittent fasting may increase lifespan by promoting autophagy, a process where the body clears out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. This cellular repair may help slow down the aging process. Intermittent fasting offers numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved metabolism, brain health, and heart health. By adopting this eating pattern and pairing it with a nutrient-rich diet, you can enhance overall well-being and longevity. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.